Good evening, you are watching Technia TV and I am Anshika with you today bringing the most important national and international updates from politics, economy, weather, sports and key global developments. Today's major headlines include significant political movements in India and abroad, rising economic concerns, major infrastructure developments and updates from the world of sports and weather. Alongside this, the nation also celebrates the auspicious occasions of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti and Baisakhi. Let's begin with today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Delhi-Dehradun Expressway today. This major highway project is expected to significantly improve connectivity between Delhi and Dehradun, cutting travel time by almost half and providing a major transport boost to Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. An important meeting of the Legislative Party is scheduled in Bihar at 4 p.m. today. A major political decision regarding the Chief Minister's position is expected, with speculation intensifying over the possible resignation of Nitish Kumar. The state's political landscape may witness a significant shift. Political rhetoric has intensified in West Bengal. Amit Shah made a strong statement regarding the Babri Masjid issue. Rahul Gandhi is scheduled to visit Murshidabad and other 3 districts today. The Election Commission has also issued a voter helpline number. Retail inflation in Delhi has risen to 3.4% in March. The increase is mainly driven by rising food prices, directly impacting household budgets. The government has assured adequate availability of cooking gas to ease concerns. The nation is celebrating the 135th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar today. Alongside, the festival of Baisakhi is being observed with great enthusiasm across the country, especially in North India and Punjab, marking a festive and spiritual atmosphere. A major political upheaval has taken place in Hungary. Prime Minister Viktor Orban has reportedly lost the election, ending his 16-year rule. Peter Magyar has secured a decisive victory with a strong mandate. Diplomatic tensions continue over Iran's nuclear program. The United States is insisting on a 20-year restriction agreement. The situation in the Hormuz Strait remains highly sensitive, with increased military activity raising global concern. The 107th birth anniversary of legendary singer Shamshad Begum is being observed in Mumbai. She is regarded as one of India's pioneering playback singers whose timeless contributions continue to inspire generations. An exciting match in IPL 2026 will be played today between Chennai Super Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders. The match will begin at 7:30 p.m. in Chennai, and fans are eagerly awaiting this high-voltage clash. Temperatures in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh have crossed 40 degrees Celsius with a heat wave alert issued from April 15. Heavy rainfall is expected in Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Meteorological forecasts also suggest the possibility of a delayed and weaker monsoon this year. And those were today's top and most important headlines. We will continue to keep you updated on every major development. Stay tuned to Technia TV. Thank you for watching.